Today I'm going to be reviewing the Truckee RC car. This is the speed test, which is going to be very hard with no hands. Almost no hand. No. Low speed on the treadmill. Pretty easy. I don't have a phone, I'm going to work it off. Almost full speed. Still have to tap the throttle. Still too fast for the treadmill. Well, it kind of went over here. Get back on the freaking treadmill. Now it's, I think, full speed. And I'm not steering at all. I think it can go a little bit more. Let's see. Someone else's video is running. Come on, RC car! Crap! Well, this works too. Let's see. Stop on the treadmill. We have I wish I had a little better thing of filming. That was this test. Well, I'll do the burnout test. And sorry for it looks maybe kind of broken because I've had it, and it's kind of, you can see the body is all broken. That's when I jumped it off a shed roof. That kind of messed it up pretty bad. I need something to keep it in place. Hang on. That's the remote controller. We're gonna use a broken, no. What the heck should I use? Put it back. Okay. I think I've got a piece that's gonna work. Ready? Burnout test. Pretty good test. That was pretty good. All together. These are not the original tires. You can see they say Traxxas on them. Yeah, I took the original tires off. I'm gonna go get the original tires. Hopefully I can. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I'm leaning this up against the tire. You can see the brand right there. Oh, and this is also not the original paint scheme of the original paint scheme. The original paint scheme is more blue, green, different colors. Well, you can get them all different colors. You can see the color right there of what it was. But here's what the original tires are. They're dirty. This car is pretty good. You can see. And I'm going to show what the inside looks like. The only thing not nice is the speed controller gets messed up. The speed controller is also the, what is it called thing? The stuff that connects to your controller. And you've got a littler motor, a lithium battery, little steering servo, some shocks. The front ones still work, you can see. I'll give you a better angle on the shocks. Take this out. Okay. There's the front shocks. I'll turn it around. The back shocks. The one back shock doesn't work. That's when it's been submerged underwater for like us. Say there's a kindergarten driving it. They drive it through a deep puddle and to submerge, warm it up. It'll be perfectly fine the next day. It's been underwater. It's been jumped off shed roofs. What else have I done to it? It's hit a lot of stuff. The body's been broken pretty badly. Yeah, one other thing that's weird, not like a Traxxas or a key car, the button to turn the thing on is right here on the side of the thing, not on top, what the body would look like on Traxxas speed controller, unless I can get mine. It's over here. Which my Traxxas one is, the button is right here. It's on top. And that one's on the side. So, it's different. Oh, it used to have a bumper that kind of broke off. It's a good RC car. It has a light. You can take off and on. One thing, the reverse doesn't always get the signal to go reverse. See, it's supposed to be going in reverse. And then other times it will go in reverse. I don't know why that does that, but it always seems to go in forwards. And just gonna lean it up against the body, against the controller. There's the brand again. There's the brand again. So just go okay. Yeah, so that's really mainly it. Unless you're looking for a good RC car, I recommend it. You can get it right on Amazon. There's all different versions. I have another friend that has a truck version. It's different. I'm actually going to show you what it looks like brand new in the box. Oh, it used to have a spoiler, but that doesn't stand very well. This is what the orange version of it looks like on the box. This is the box it comes in. It's got all that stuff. And you can see the top of it there. There's the main brand. You can see that. Here's the one I have. It used to look like. Hang on. Let me get the ball. Yeah. This used to look like that. See the difference? It kind of got beat up, but it says you can do all can train. And here's the colors. Well, mine said it was coming. The colors. There's also this is the one it said my car was coming in, but it came in a different color. So it's weird. That's really the Truckee thing. You can look that right up on Amazon right now. It's a kid's RC car. There, that's really the whole RC car.